Hi everyone. Very warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. And this is a very quick announcement about how you can be a better trader if you are using options and if you are combining option trading along with Elliott wave or Neo wave. तो कैसे ऑप्शंस को सही मायने में देखना चाहिए, कैसे आप उससे ट्रेड ले सकते हो, हाउ इज ऑप्शंस गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू ट्रेड, and how it can be very fantastic method in order if you combine that with the GPS of the market, which I call is Elliott wave. So options बहुत ही interesting instrument है. If you understand options, you can do a lot of things. If you understand how options can be leveraged correctly, you can make money out of it. See, one thing is very important that you have to understand clearly. Option trading requires you to be both option buyers and option sellers. I have come across so many of you who have been saying, nahi yaar, I am only an option buyer, I will never sell an option. And many of you have been doing that and saying that I'm only an option buyer guy. See, I have been option buyer for many years, because when the market moved in momentum, you know, वो multiplier effect जो बनता है ना, कि जो आपने प्रीमियम दिया है 10,000 या 15,000 का, उसका 30,000 50,000 होने की पॉसिबिलिटी रहती है, और वो बहुत मजा आता है ऑप्शन बाइंग करने में. सो आई एंजॉय थरली व्हेन वी बाय ऑप्शन इफ देयर इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. But the basic mathematics of for option buyer, as I've been talking in my videos also, is actually against the option buyer, because time is ticking away. So on occasions like this, if you are checking the market, what's happening around, it's just sticking with the magnet Gann level of 18293, just like a magnet. So during situations like this, when there is mean reversion levels, when you know, things are not just going in any direction, you need to know how to form an option strategy or when to sell an option. तो ये बहुत important है that you understand these concepts very thoroughly, very clearly. And you know, along with options, it's very crucial that you also look at the chart of what is happening with the volume profile. Now, what is volume profile? Many people say that volumes, I know what is volume and how it works and things like that. I'm not talking about those things. I'm talking about volume profile. Volume profile क्या होता है? अगर आप देखेंगे तो वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल का मतलब है कौन से लेवल पे वॉल्यूम्स हो रहा है. Okay, there is a difference between a normal volume that you see and the volume profile that I'm talking about. What is the difference? Volume profile means at a specific price point, like 18,293, there has been a huge volume profile happening. Now, coincidentally, that's a magnetic level, and volumes are also heavy on that specific price data point, which means कुछ तो वहां पर distribution या accumulation चल रहा है. Now, once you know that there is a distribution or accumulation going on at a specific price point, don't you think you will have a very classic way of trading options, forming a strategy and seeing कि यार यहाँ पर buy करना नहीं है, market mean revert mode में है. Mean revert mode means what? Market is going to go up above this level, go below that level, and net not progressing anywhere. Which means that if I am buying an option positionally, making money is a challenge. In that scenario, you will opt for selling an option, because that way you might make money. But selling with strike price, selling along with which expiry to select, उसके साथ में ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल भी देखना है. सो वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल एक अलग चीज होती है, जहां पे आपको वॉल्यूम्स के साथ वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल दिख रहा है. एंड ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल, व्हाट इज ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल? ओपन इंटरेस्ट तो लोगों को पता है कि भाई कितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बाय सेल हुए, बट प्रोफाइलिंग मतलब क्या है? कौन से लेवल पे, कौन से स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल बन रहा है और चेंज भी हो रहा है. विच मीन्स एट स्पेसिफिक लेवल, just the rise in just the open interest is not important. At specific level, how is the open interest changing is also very important, which means who is going to panic? The person, the side of the market. For example, if put sellers are going to panic, we know the markets are going to go up. So you need to identify what is the level where these option traders where these open interest levels are made, which are smart people. Because see, big players do not bet on option buying. I'm telling you. Now I'll give you an example. If you have $1 million to deploy in the market, will you go with the mathematics of deploying $1 million, buying an option where the probability of success is 30%, or will you deploy generating that 1, 2, 3% by selling an option where the probability of success is 80%? I'm not confusing you. What I am telling you is that which is the side where the probability success is more, that's the side where big players are betting. And we want to see it on the chart where the big players are betting and take an option buying positions accordingly. Yes, I'm saying option buying positions you can take if you know बड़े player कर क्या रहे हैं यार market के अंदर, और current market scenario you can clearly make out that kind of instances. So ये बहुत ही interesting way है. So when the basic mathematics for option buyer is against, the most important technique that you have to combine to make it favorable is by applying the concept of time and wave theory. Because when you apply Elliott wave concept, when you are trading an option and you are applying the concept of Elliott wave, we call it as a GPS of the market, right? Because this gives us the exact position, where is the market, how mature the trend is, how much can it go, can it reverse, are we in a faltering breath and the market can reverse, is this a fifth wave? There are so many things that you can make out. But problem is you need to know this concept very, very correctly, prudently. मतलब ये चीजें आपको बहुत ही समझ में आनी चाहिए और बहुत शानदार वे है मार्केट को देखने का. एक सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बताता हूँ from a neo wave perspective. You know, people, let me first explain. There is a difference between Elliott wave and neo wave. What is the difference? Neo wave is developed by Gann, and he's a mastermind, brilliant guy, and did superb in terms of neo wave. He came out with certain patterns like diametric, extracting triangle, neutral triangle. These are very amazing patterns. Why? Because सबसे ज्यादा मार्केट में यही पैटर्न्स दिखते हैं, और हमारा काम एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर ऑफ नियो वेव और एलियट वेव, आई वुड से, इज टू आइडेंटिफाई दोस पैटर्न्स ऑन द चार्ट. So the difference between Elliott and neo wave is neo wave has more rules, more number of rules to define a pattern compared to Elliott wave. So essentially both are from Elliott wave only. लेकिन जो standard Elliott wave है, that is more subjective, I would say, because उसमें हमारा अगर व्यू बुलिश है तो हम बुलिश देखेंगे, bearish है तो bearish देखेंगे. So that's a catch. But neo wave makes it very objective to a lot of extent कि भाई ऐसा हुआ, ये रूल हुआ, ये स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3 हुआ, तो बॉस now you know that how it's going to go. So these steps are defined by neo wave, and that is fantastic. So that's why I say that I practice neo wave on index and it works amazing. But will it work every time? नहीं यार, ऐसे तो 100% accuracy मैंने कहाँ कभी claim किया है. You need to know the probability for buying an option. If you want to increase, you need to time it using time cycle, and you need to apply the wave concept so that you know when the trend is starting in the opposite side. अगर market mature stage में है, one very classic indicator of neo wave which I use is a two-stage confirmation. If you use this two-stage confirmation method and apply it on the chart, you will see that by applying that you can virtually understand कि यार market का top लग चुका है. Once you know that, you know your strategy on options is either going to buy a put or sell call options and ride that trend on the downside. At every pullback that you see, when do you see the pullback will be defined by time cycle. कि वेव थियरी ने बता दिया भाई ट्रेंड रिवर्स हो गया है, यहां से नीचे का ट्रेंड आएगा, इधर तक जा सकता है, ये फिबोनाची प्रोजेक्शन है, ये टारगेट्स है. लेकिन जो बीच बीच में रिवर्सल्स आते हैं ना, पुलबैक्स आते हैं, that time will help you to time it to the point. In fact, you can even time it to the very, very minute at times. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to trade options, you need to club all of those things together, all of those things together. Which things together that you need to club when you are trading options? You need to club in options volume profile, which is a fantastic way of seeing directly on an option chart. You can do that. Look at open interest profile, apply an Ichimoku cloud. So आपको पता रहेगा यार ये मार्केट में रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ है. इनफैक्ट Ichimoku cloud is a time derived इंडिकेटर, मालूम है आपको. तो मार्केट में रेजिस्टेंस का है, कहां से रिवर्स हो सकता है, ये एक चीज हो गई. ऑप्शंस कैसे होता है. साथ में अगर आपको पता है यार ये ट्रेंड मैच्योर्ड है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको पता है कि यहां से शायद ऊपर जाएगा लेकिन ज्यादा मोमेंटम नहीं है, तो ऑप्शन में स्ट्रेटेजी बना लो. कॉल बाय करो इन द मनी का, आउट ऑफ द मनी का कॉल राइट कर दो. रेशियो स्प्रेड बना लो, एक ऑप्शन का लॉट बाय करो, 2 ऑप्शन के लॉट सेल कर दो. कितने सारी चीजें कर सकते हो आप, मतलब खाली, लेकिन आपको व्यू तो चाहिए. यू नो द प्रॉब्लम इज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द ऑप्शन ट्रेडर्स want to say I want to be an option trader but I don't want to know about anything about markets. How will you trade? कैसे करोगे? मार्केट का अगर व्यू ही नहीं है. सी इवन बाय फॉर सेलिंग ऑप्शन यू नीड टू हैव अ व्यू कि मार्केट कहीं नहीं जाने वाला है, वो एक व्यू हो गया. सो वो व्यू बनाने के लिए जीपीएस ऑफ द मार्केट is important. It's required, which is the Elliott wave. So it's a very fantastic tool, guys, and it's simply amazing. People who practice Elliott wave. So for example, I have come across so many of them. Whoever is an Elliottian is an Elliottian for life. मतलब वो ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि आप उसे छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. And if you don't do Elliott wave, you miss out. मतलब ऐसा लगता है यार क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ये कुछ क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में. लेकिन अगर आपको पता है कि यार ये शायद इस तरीके से मूव हो सकता है, देन आपकी जो एंजाइटी लेवल्स है वो बहुत कम हो जाती है. यू नो, इफ यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे, एंड वहां पर आपने जीपीएस लगा के रखा है. जीपीएस का मतलब 100% आप वही रूट पे जाओगे जरूरी नहीं है. आपको एक एस्टिमेट मिल जाता है, एक टाइम मिल जाता है, कैसे जाने मिल जाता है, ये सब चीज पता चलती है, राइट. वही चीज मैं बता रहा हूँ, मार्केट का भी एक जीपीएस है. अगर मार्केट जीपीएस के हिसाब से मूव हो रहा है, आपको क्या करना है, आपको फोरकास्ट करना है और देखना है कि क्या मार्केट वैसे बिहेव कर रहा है. तो मतलब सही है, आप फुल ऑन ट्रैक पे हो. लेकिन मार्केट कुछ और कर रहा है और आपका जीपीएस सिस्टम कुछ और बता रहा है, मतलब यार कुछ गड़बड़ है मार्केट में, नहीं आपके जीपीएस में, जो आपको थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो ये चीजें हम डिस्कस करेंगे. हमारा इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक, यू नो, आई हैव बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस फॉर मोर देन लाइक 15 years now. Trading I've been doing for more than 15 years. Wave theory, yeah, wave theory, I think I started applying wave theory in 2010, 2009. When I did my CMT in 2008, I did my CMT, cleared all 3 levels in 1 year. तभी Elliott wave के बारे में पता चला था, तब से ही पढ़ रहा हूँ. तो I think 14 साल से ज्यादा तो हो ही गए. And I've been trading since around 2004-5. penny stock crash भी आया था. So that is around 18 years now. Wow, time just flies, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is that this is when I started learning, I know how this works, you know, how it has to be applied, how it has to be done, and that is simply fabulous. When जब होता है ना कि यार ऑप्शंस देख रहे और पता चल रहा है यार ये थर्ड वेव शुरू हो रहा है, तब जो पैसा बनता है ऑप्शन बाइंग में, वो सिंपली फैंटास्टिक होती है और बहुत ही अच्छे से होता है. अब ट्रेडिंग जो आप करते हो बहुत शानदार होती है. सो गाइज, आई एम कमिंग आउट, ये मैंने बताया आपको कि क्या होता है. सो आई एम कमिंग आउट विद अ प्रोग्राम विच इज नोन एज बिकम मार्केट विजार्ड, जिसे हम कहते हैं BMW. बिकम मार्केट विजार्ड का मतलब ही है बिकम BMW, विच इज कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ 2 programs. One is option trading using technical analysis and the other one is master of waves. तो ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग यूजिंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जो हो रहा है हमारा 10th and 11th of December, which is on Saturday and Sunday morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., where we will be discussing about options as not just basic of option strategy कैसे बनाना है, पे ऑफ चार्ट क्या होता है, साथ में हमें मार्केट को वॉल्यूम्स कहाँ हो रहा है, बिग प्लेयर एक्टिविटी कहाँ पर हो रही है, ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल क्या है. We'll club that. We'll look at Ichimoku cloud and we will derive a very clear-cut 5 trade setups that you can possibly apply for options buying or selling. So वो सब चीजें हम करेंगे ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्रोग्राम में 10th 11 दिसंबर को, सैटरडे एंड संडे. एंड देन मास्टर ऑफ वेव्स का जो प्रोग्राम है वो होने वाला है जनवरी में, and Saturday Sunday again in Jan 7th and 8th of Jan if I'm not mistaken, and that is where we are going to be doing a fabulous learning about how the markets can be traded. So guys, I want you to learn this market. And देखो ये ट्रेड सेटअप जो मैं आपको दूंगा, आपने देखा भी होगा एक ट्रेड सेटअप अगर लिया होगा वो कोर्स, is going to be something phenomenal. मतलब मार्केट को देखने का जो नजरिया है वो आपका बहुत अलग होगा, बहुत डिफरेंट होगा, एंड यू विल सिंपली एंजॉय every single time trading the market. You know, that's what my mentees say ki yaar, and it is simply fantastic. Okay, Deepesh Panchal, he is noted on YouTube. I'm a big fan of you, sir. Most of the time I use volume and open interest profile. It works 70 to 80% of the times. Thanks Deepak for that. I know it's a very classic tool, and when I was working with hedge funds, I was in US for some time. I worked in US. I came back to India. Lehman Brothers filed for bankruptcy, and I also authored a book. I'm not sure, guys, if you know that I have written a book published worldwide, Effective Trading in Financial Markets Using Technical Analysis, and it is simply amazing. That's the book. By the way, this is the book that I'm talking about, which I've published and worldwide available. So that's the book I'm talking about. So I know what works. अगर आपने खुद के थॉट प्रोसेस को लिखा है which is published worldwide, which means there is something about it, right? And that is simply superb how it works. Can volume profiling work for stocks? And yes, of course, Muthu Kumar, volume profile works phenomenally for stocks. क्योंकि क्या होगा मालूम है, स्टॉक्स अगर आप देख रहे हो तो स्टॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है वॉल्यूम्स. क्योंकि कोई अगर बड़ा प्लेयर वो स्टॉक्स में एंटर कर रहा है या एग्जिट कर रहा है, तो वो बड़े प्लेयर एंटर करते हुए बहुत पोजीशंस लेते हैं, और वो आपको दिखेगा कौन से लेवल पे बड़ा प्लेयर पोजीशन ले रहा है वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल के साथ में. तो जो हम ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में डिस्कस करने वाले ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग यूजिंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस प्रोग्राम जो है 2 days का OTTA जिसे हम कहते हैं, दैट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर ऑप्शन ट्रेडर्स. लोगों को लगता है यार वो खाली ऑप्शन ट्रेडर्स के लिए, नहीं. उसमें हम यूज करेंगे बॉलिंगर बैंड्स, विल यूज इचिमोको क्लाउड, विल लुक एट वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल, विल लुक एट ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल, विल लुक एट सर्टेन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ कैंडलस्टिक प्रोफाइल जो आपने नहीं सोचा होगा, इतना इजी वे से हम देखेंगे. Look at option strategy formations by looking at the payoff charts. कैसे आपको ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी बनाना है और कितना मिलेगा और कैसे करना है, वो चीजें हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्रोग्राम में. एंड उसके साथ में जो मास्टर ऑफ वेव्स है विल बी अबाउट नियो वेव, प्लस इट विल कंबाइन हर्स्ट टाइम साइकिल where we will look at how to time the market. We will also look at certain aspects of moon phases. तो हमारा जो मास्टर ऑफ वेव्स है that will be focused on neo wave plus some concept of first time cycle and moon phase. कल अमावास्या 24th is an अमावास्या. So you guys know कि यार something might change. Why? Because market behaves that way. It's simply fantastic. Rajan Bharadwaj is here. He is writing, thanks to your guidance in MOC, which was the cycle program, I am consistently earning by option writing, and today I earned 4% by combining cycle with VWAP. That's the power, 4% today. That's fantastic. I mean, that with option writing is simply amazing. So you guys, this is a fantastic way of learning. कोई भी लाइफ में काम करना है ना, तो फुल फ्लेज में करना है, मतलब सीख के करना है. मार्केट को पैसा नहीं देना है, पैसा पहले हमें सीखना है, और फिर जो नॉलेज है हमारे पास में लाइफ टाइम के लिए, वो नॉलेज यूज करनी है मार्केट को ट्रेड करने के लिए. सो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम करेंगे इस 2 days ऑफ प्रोग्राम में. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो, आर यू एक्साइटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल जर्नी along with me in Become Market Wizard, which we call as BMW, and are you with me or not on something like this? If you are, you can take this step forward to register for this program. How can you register for this program? I'll just tell you. Before that, Muthu Kumar has something more to say. I have attended Master of Waves. Today I took Syngene based on Neo Wave, works like magic. It's not me, it's the people, the mentees and the participants who are talking here. So they have to say this thing. So guys, I'm just sharing across the link with you all from where you can register for this program and you can be a part of this. Here is the link. Simply click on this link and be a part of this wonderful journey of option trading, stock trading, along with wave theory, neo wave, combining that with combining that along with time cycle and Ichimoku cloud. It's a simply fantastic. You can click on the link and you can register yourself. The early bird ends on 30th. And agar aap aaj register karo, only for people who are registering today for the BMW program, what we are going to do as a special offer this time. As soon as you register, you get access to 10 bonus videos today. Plus, you get access to a video recording of option trading program of the past, so that ये जो नए प्रोग्राम में आप आओगे, आप ऑलरेडी सीख के आओगे और इसके अंदर हम प्रैक्टिकली ज्यादा डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आज अगर आप रजिस्टर करते हो, you get access to that. Post OTTA for the Master of Waves program, you get access to the Neo Wave training session videos before the program itself, जो रिकॉर्डिंग देंगे एंड फिर हम लाइव सेशन वापस करेंगे. दिस वे वी विल एंश्योर दैट यू आर लर्निंग बिफोर द ट्रेनिंग इवन स्टार्ट. सो आपका एप्लीकेशन और लर्निंग विद ट्रेड सेटअप्स आज से ही शुरू हो जाएगा. सो दिस चेंज वी डिड बिकॉज वी थॉट व्हेन पीपल कम फॉर दिस 2 days program, if they have this prior knowledge, I can talk so many things more which can help them to become a wonderful trader. And that's the step that I have taken. I'm sure that step is going to help you. So how do you have to register, guys? So here is the link I'm sharing across. Yahan jana hai aapko. Here is the link. You can simply visit here and click on the and select the program that you want to register for. BMW is combining both wave theory plus option trading program, both combined together, जिसका individual price is much more higher than what you can see. So इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी है आपको कि you register for the program that you think will add value to you all. So ये चीज है, मैंने screen share की आप लोगों के साथ में. You can simply come visit this page. The pricing for the early bird offer is 32K. And if you are registering today, you get 10 bonus videos, plus access to Elliott wave video links, plus 15 days of research report, plus access to the OTTA video, which is option trading video. ये videos आपको आज ही मिल जाएगा, जिससे आप at least वो देख के जब तक कोर्स शुरू होगा, you can start practicing that. That is happening on 10th and 11th of December. लेकिन आपकी ट्रेडिंग की जो एक्यूरेसी है वो आज से बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगी. So that is about the BMW course, which will contain everything that you should be looking for. और हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में है. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग खाली अगर आपको करना है, so that's the price that you can do for option trading program. Volume analysis, patterns, targets, options को क्या strategy form करना है, Ichimoku cloud क्या है, you can do that. If you register today, you'll get 5 bonus videos of that, and Master of Waves, which is going to be on 7th, 8th of January. So I would suggest the value that we are giving you, it's itself worth a lot more than what we are, clubbing together. The original price is 98K plus, but under the early bird offer, it is at 32K. I'm open for questions, guys. I'm taking a very quick poll right now, and I want to know which path you want to select, to be an expert trader, which path to be an expert trader. I'm launching a poll very quickly. So BMW is OTTA plus MOW, which is option trading plus Master of Waves, and mentorship is about everything that we do. So I'm just open the poll and I'm open for questions. So guys, if you are the mentees here, don't have to participate in the poll. For you, by default, you have access to option trading plus Master of Waves program. So आपको उसमें जरूरत नहीं है. And okay, I have a few questions which are popping up here. Let me just check. If I register for this program, will I be able to trade independently? How do we do it? Or if I have questions? Okay. So अगर आपने प्रोग्राम के लिए रजिस्टर किया, सो पहले तो आपको वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स दी जाएगी जो आप गो थ्रू करोगे. देयर विल बी अ प्री सेशन वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग विच विल बी गिवन टू यू. लाइव नहीं है, प्री सेशन में बेसिक्स है जो आपको दी जाएगी, विच यू विल बी टेकिंग. After that, there will be 2 days of option trading program. In that 2 days, we will practice 5 trade setups for option buying, option selling, volume profile, all those things. Post that, we will have a follow-up session, Q&A session. Uske baad mein bhi, there will be, you can post your queries, doubts on Traders Forum, and we will be discussing those things. That's how we go about it. For the wave theory, again the same concept. If you are registering for the BMW program, video recording आपका आज ही मिल पाएगा, आज ही मिल जाएगा. So you don't really have to worry about it. Okay. Shalini is saying, I'm taking mentorship. Is this all included? Yes, of course. So if you take mentorship, ये सारी चीजें जो option trading program है, master of waves है, plus mentorship का sessions है, live trading sessions है, वो सब इसके part में mentorship में शालिनी. Okay. Dr. Sachin, can I get? Sure, Sachin, no problem on that. Don't worry on that. If you are a doctor, you're in hospital for most of the time and you're not able to see the videos, don't worry. So ये guys, ये जो sessions है, इसके recordings भी होंगे जो आपको दी जाएगी. In case you miss out, like Sachin is a doctor, he's not able to see it for whatever reason. Even if you attend, you will have a recording for a limited time, of course. जिससे you can go through that again and again and learn from this. So मैं तो कहूंगा यार, हम मार्केट को इतना पैसा देते हैं, लेकिन खुद से सीख के shall we not trade and become a wonderful trader? And these techniques that I am talking about is simply fabulous, because यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे ना तो बहुत बहुत अच्छे से आप ट्रेड कर पाओगे. For if you have, I'm just stopping the screen share right now. If you have any queries, doubts, you can always reach out to us on the number which is shared across by my colleague. And few more questions that I am having right now. Okay, sir, I have registered for this BMW program. How do I get the access? Fantastic, Sumit. आपने register कर भी लिया BMW के लिए. Don't worry. For the access, what you will be getting is just give 10 minutes. My team will set you up, call you up, and share the link. How you are going to get the access to the video today itself. So क्या access मिलेगा आपको? 10 bonus videos for lifetime, plus you will have access to 15 days of research, plus option trading के program का आपको access आज ही मिल जाएगा, जिससे आप आज से ही option trading शुरू कर सकते हो. Okay. Neeraj is having a question. Sir, I am a fresher, not having much knowledge, so will I be able to do this? Okay. That's a very intelligent question. Yes, Neeraj. आपको ये कर सकते हो, क्योंकि यार किसने बोला ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए या वेव थियरी सीखने के लिए कुछ होना चाहिए. सो यू डोंट रियली हैव टू वरी. व्हाट यू रिक्वायर इज you need to give time, you need to practice, and you need to share across charts with me post the session. I will ensure that you are making money for sure out of the market. That is what. But risk के साथ, okay, stop loss के साथ काम करना है. 100% guarantee नहीं है कोई भी चीज की. That is what I wanted to talk about. Okay, Vaibhav is here and he's saying, sir, I am opting for OTTA, so can I just make a registration using credit card? Yes, of course, you can use credit card. That's not a problem. Okay, guys, great. Then that's fantastic. That's what I wanted to talk about. Thank you very much for joining in. Don't forget to do anything which is simply not related to charts. क्योंकि आप चार्ट देख के ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हो तो यार गट फीलिंग पे कितना ही पैसा कमा लोगे. I do not have a laptop. Is it possible to learn from mobile? पुष्पा लता. Why not? ट्रेडिंग के लिए आजकल क्या जो ऐप आ गया ना, the app is so fantastic that you can simply trade from the app. मेरे जो videos है, मेरे course videos, many of the course videos are there on my app also. Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul app है, सब मोबाइल पे है, because everything is on mobile. अगर आप मूवी देखते हो तो you looking at a mobile, so you don't really need a laptop for learning. At least you can do it on a mobile. आजकल तो softwares भी, you don't need any software, no prior experience required, no laptop, it's okay. मोबाइल तो चाहिए, मतलब either a mobile or a laptop, it's up to you, but you require a mobile and you can definitely attend through mobile. That is not a problem. So no issues at all. I've enrolled for BMW and OTT is not done. Sure, no problem, Muthu Kumar. Don't worry on that. You will get the access. Absolutely. Is there a psychology video? Because it would be a main part of me. See, हम जब वेव थियरी कर रहे हैं ना, वो वेव थियरी का जो पूरा वेव थियरी बेस्ड है ना, that is purely based on the psychology, because it's a logical deduction of crowd psychology, and it's simply amazing. I'm telling you. That is, so trading psychology is a part of what we are going to do. Mithilesh, the fee is 32K plus GST for the BMW program. इंट्राडे में कोई भी मेथड काम नहीं करता है. किसने बोला? इंट्राडे में कोई भी मेथड काम नहीं करता. अगर आपके आज के मार्केट में आपको पता है ये रेंज में रहने वाला है, आपको गेन लेवल्स पता है, आपको टाइम पता है, तो आपको पता है अगर रेंज में है तो ऑप्शन राइट करो ना, पैसा बनता है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन से टाइम पे क्या करना है. अगर आप ऑप्शन राइटिंग के मार्केट में ऑप्शन बाइंग करोगे तो कैसे बनेगा? सो इंट्राडे में भी बनता है, लेकिन आपको जीपीएस ऑफ द मार्केट पता होना चाहिए. राइट गाइस, वो बहुत जरूरी है. एंड ओके, आई मीन टू यूज इंडिकेटर्स एंड ऑल. यस, यू कैन यूज इंडिकेटर्स. इवन ऑन द ऐप यू हैव सॉफ्टवेयर, सो यू कैन यूज दैट. आई नो फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत है. Okay, that is what I am looking at. Okay, fantastic guys. I think I have answered a lot of questions and that's really, really great. Already Pinkesh is here, but no knowledge of chart, how to apply and all is possible. Can I learn? Sure, don't worry about it. At least let me know if you don't know how to apply a trend line and a channel. I'll make it for you. So no problem at all. Pinkesh, we will do it together. Okay, so Nitish Pathak is here. He has booked his profits on 2 lots and holding some quantity for the range. Fantastic, Nitish. I'm ending the series, your series work. Thanks. Nitish Pathak has been a part of the BMW program. So he's talking about how this has helped him in trading. Thanks, Nitish, for that. And I'm just ending the poll right now over here. Thank you guys, everyone, for joining in. And this is Ashish Kyal signing off. Take that step forward towards becoming this better trader, and this is going to be simply wonderful, and it's going to be simply helping you to take trades in a much better informed way. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.